Stick the whole box in, it'll be fine.
Well, you ruined the light.
Am I supposed to care?
Well, they're not going to shoot out, they're just going to bullshit. Yeah. They're just going to sparkle like a couple of little, fairies from hell.
Pretty much. Oh, they're wrong. Yeah, dude, dump the fucking box on me.
Yeah, come on.
No, just the one.
One at a time, yeah.
You got to appreciate this.
Yeah.
Wait, the right way up.
This way?
Yeah.
Make sure
Joe,
it's...
remember, put it on the board.
No one authorised fireworks.
Yeah, and these came from here, so it's fine.
Joe, put it on the board and then do it.
Oh, that way.
Put it on the end of the board and you carry the other end.
Yeah, and then you can just shovel it off. Wait, do it on that piece of cardboard or something over there.
That's not enough heat.
That's not far enough away from us, is it?
No.
I was going to run away.
Run up to it, poke it with a stick and then run again.
That's it over there. Oh, it's in the fire.
Poke it gently so it doesn't like fall over.
Well, yeah, but it doesn't matter if it flicks over anyway, it's still going to go off.
Yeah. Come on.
Just
go.
push
Poke
it.
Yeah, don't be slow about it.
Okay, now go. Now
Yeah,
run.
yeah, run.
Don't hit it.
Tap it for good measure.
You moron.
Well, this is fun.
We may be here a while.
It's
Yeah.
been a long amount of time.
Should we chuck the other boxes on and leg it?
Dump the lot on now. Yeah. Because by the time that goes in, the other ones have got time to pop.
Oh yeah. What? Not like that. What?
We're safe. Oh, I got a spoon from my hand.
Have a barricade. Try it with your light, Joe. Try the barricade with your light.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. That's what we got.
I'm not impressed. Gonna be honest. There we go. Yes.
You actually couldn't have picked a noisier firework.
Yeah, we really couldn't go.
Oh wow. That fucking thing's smoking.
Epic.
Jesus.
Epic.
It's fine, it's fine.
One of them hit it. One of them hit it.
I know.
Shit.
Is that it?
Yeah. Let's go.
That was fucking awesome.
What have we got? What have we got? What have we got?
Yeah.
Oh, well, whoa! Whoa!
No.
Yeah. Whoa! Stop! Mud!